A family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to become one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. The SIP Fireball Heaters, a professional range of diesel and paraffin space heaters. The professional Fireball range of space heaters from SIP are manufactured in Italy, ensuring the highest quality, and can be used with paraffin or diesel without setting adjustments. They operate from a 230 volt 13 amp supply and are amongst the most reliable diesel heater ranges on the market, offering up to an incredible 11-hour running time from a full fuel tank. The heat output on the Fireball Professional range starts at 21.4 kilowatts with an approximate heating area of 461 meters cubed on the entry model, right up to a heat output of 49 kilowatts with an approximate heating area of 1,154 meters cubed on the top of the range model. The Professional Fireball Diesel Paraffin Space Heater range all come with a 2-year warranty and feature an extra thick stainless steel combustion chamber for prolonged life, a ducted fan to enhance airflow plus improve performance, an easily accessible rear-facing sealed control panel built into the fuel tank to protect vital components from the elements, a burner designed to ensure an optimum air-fuel mixture resulting in an almost total combustion with a low carbon monoxide level, an easily accessible and removable electrode fuel nozzle assembly reduces downtime during repairs or maintenance, a high-quality Danfoss fuel pump which supplies a constant pressure, an external fuel filter for easy maintenance and less downtime, a tough hydrocarbon-resistant polythene construction fuel tank, great for use in particularly cold environments, not prone to corrosion and helps to avoid fuel contamination. An automatic cool-down cycle prolongs the heater life and reduces the risk of injury. Larger models feature solid fuel-resistant wheels that avoid fuel contamination, which could cause rubber tyres to deflate. There is an optional wheel kit available from SIP to fit the Fireball 660S, and an optional thermostat with 10-metre cable to fit the Fireball 1280S and 1645S to ensure a true room temperature. SIP also stock a comprehensive range of fuel cans and spouts that perfectly complement the Professional Fireball heater range. The Professional Diesel and Paraffin Space Heaters from SIP, ideal for heating factories, warehouses, garages, farm buildings and workshops.